Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. GoPro is unleashing two new cameras this month, the Hero 8 Black available now, and the Hero Max with 360-degree shooting capability very shortly. VP Rick Loughery says the Hero 8 uses a new magnetic system instead of the previous snap-on enclosure that will
make it super easy to travel with your GoPro, so you don't have to remember your frame. It also makes the camera a little bit slimmer, so it fits into your pocket nicely. And also with this new design, it allows us to put a microphone on the front of the camera where we couldn't put it before.
Also new is what GoPro calls Hypersmooth 2.0 to take out the shakes. There are also some new add-on mods for the Hero 8 Black. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. How many companies out there have continued to innovate when it comes to building a better radio? I'm Fred Fishkin, host of Techstination, and I'm here to tell you about the new CC Skywave SSB radio from the wonderful people at C-Crane. Bob and his crew really love radio, and it shows in this new compact model that is packed with features. Beyond great AM and FM reception and sound, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world, listen to ham radio operators, aviation, and more. It's the radio you'll turn to every day, and in emergencies. It will run for nearly 3 days on just 2 AA batteries. Pair the sleep timer with the new Soft Speaker 3, and you've got the perfect radio for your nightstand. Of course, it can wake you up too. Click on C-Crane at Techstination.com and put in the code Techstination for a free flashlight with your order. They love radio, and you'll love C-Crane.